Hi guys, so this video is going to explain about Spice Riders merchant app functionality. So what you're seeing on the screen is the Spice Riders merchant app login page and the credentials to be used in this app. You can get it from the aggregator portal of Spice Riders platform, where you can create login IDs for the various users. So the Spice Traders merchant app key functionality is to process the orders which are generated through Spice Traders customer app or Spice Traders web-based ordering mechanism. And the merchant app will be used at the outlets which processes the order. So you can basically have a merchant app installed in an Android mobile and get alerts when orders are landing, and you can click the orders, view the details, and then process them. Each and every update done on the orders will be displayed in the online ordering platform of Spice Riders and also in the customer app who has placed the order. Now let us log into the app. So upon login to the app, it will synchronize the basic data with the server, and this is a home page where you can see the branch and outlet names of the account to which you have logged in and the current business day. And there's an alert section where you will be able to see the number of alerts. So if any new orders lands on the system, then you will get an alert sound as well as an indication in this section, and you can click on that and view the details. Apart from those alerts, you have a detailed online order tracking page, a printer setup option, then alert settings page, then options to toggle the products. Say for example, if you have certain products out of stock, then you may need to stop the customers from placing order for that item. So you can use the toggle items feature, and then the toggle store feature, which is basically to disable the outlet itself from getting online orders. So let us now see how we will get the alert and how we can process that. For demonstrating this, I'm going to place an order from the customer app. From the same video, you can see how I am placing the order and how it gets landed over here. So this is a test customer app. I'm just choosing the Al Arab Cafe and placing the order. Placing a cash on delivery order. You can see the order is successful, and once the order is successful, immediately you can hear the warning alerts coming here. So you can go to the online orders module. You can see there's a new alert, and also you will be able to see that in here the new online orders tab. You can click on that as well and see this order. Suppose you want to see the details. So currently you can see the online orders page is giving you three options: new orders, processing orders, and history orders. So this one is a new order, and in processing you don't have anything now, and in history tab you have one order which was placed 1 hour before. So this is the new order. I'm going to open the new order. The first step is to accept the order or reject it. So you can see the details of what is placed by the customer: black coffee and black forest cake. And if you want, you can see the order split up as well here, right? And you can see the customer details and mobile number. I'm going to accept it, confirm. You can see it went from the new orders tab to the processing tab, and in the processing tab again you can see the current status of the order, right? And meantime, you can see what happens in the customer app. So in the customer app, once the order is placed, you can go back and browse the menus, or if customer can go to the order section and track the order, you can see the order status is updated and it is in accepted state, right? So let us go, and so this is the order accepted state. After this, you can see here order ready is the next step, which is to be updated by the outlet. Order dispatched and order delivered are supposed to be done by the delivery representative. So as far as the merchant is concerned, it's quite simple. You need to accept the order. Still, if you want to see the details of the items, you can see it here, and you can also click on the track option to see the timestamps of the entire order. That is when the order was received, when it was confirmed, and now if you want to update the order as ready, that is after getting this order, your kitchen has prepared it or your outlet has packed the items, then you can choose the action and mark it as ready. So once the order is marked as ready, you can see the timestamp updated here. So 12:41 p.m. the order is marked as ready, right? Now let us see in the customer app again, and I'm clicking on track. See, the order status has been updated now. So it's quite important that you update these stages in the merchant app so that customers will get updated on the progress of the order and they will be happy about it. So these are the key functionality. This is the main flow of functionality in the merchant app. Let us go back and see the other features in the merchant app. So any order which is marked as ready will continue in the processing state until it is delivered by the delivery executive. The delivery executive will come and fetch the order. So once he has fetched the order, the further statuses of the order will be updated, and a completed order will look like this. See, you can click on track, you can see the complete history, when the order received, when it was confirmed, when it is marked as ready, when it is dispatched, and when it is delivered. So there's a previous order which has all the steps completed. And apart from this, there are certain other features also in the merchant app, which is basically to toggle the items, that is to mark an item as unavailable at the outlet. So I'm clicking on toggle, and I can search using product code or name, or I can just see the list here. Say for example, the fresh mango juice, I want to toggle it off, or I want to tell this is not available at my outlet now. I just marked as disabled and then submitted it. Done. Now let us see in the customer app what happens, right? So I'm going to Al Arab Cafe and I'm going to search for fresh mango juice. You can see fresh mango juice is out of stock. Let us see fresh lime juice also. Now you can see fresh lime juice is in stock. Customer is able to add it. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to disable this item also using the toggle option. So I'm choosing fresh lime juice from the list. I'm disabling it and submitting it. Done. Now again we can go to the customer app and see what's the status of fresh lime juice. You can see fresh lime juice is also disabled. You can toggle it back using the same option. You can go to the toggle items list and then click on inactive products to see quickly filter the inactive items. You can enable it back, or you can use enable all button, then submit it. right? Then let us go and refresh this page. You can see now the items, lime juice and mango juice, all are currently available. So you can basically use this toggle option to control the availability of products in the customer app or in the web-based URL management system. Now, the next option is to toggle the store. So toggling the store is basically to enable or disable the outlet itself from accepting the order. Suppose I am disabling the outlet and submitting. So now the thing is the outlet is not accepting any orders. So let us just refresh and see whether customer is able to place the order or not. You can see Al Arab Cafe, it has been grayed out. If I click on that, it will tell outlet is not serviceable, meaning it is not available for ordering at this moment. So again, I can go back and enable the outlet and submit. So you can just refresh here and see. Now it's back. So Al Arab Cafe is now available for online ordering. You can click and make and place orders. So it's as simple as that. You have very few clicks needed to do very intricate operations, whether it is to process the orders or to disable or enable items, or to enable or disable the outlet from accepting the order. Say for example, your outlet is having too many orders and you want to disable the outlet for few minutes to stop the orders from getting placed, right? So you can disable it and then enable it once the rush is free. So there is no delay in that. The moment you do it here, immediately it reflects in the customer apps also. And you have certain other settings like the alert settings, which is basically to enable or disable the alert tones, right? You can basically disable the alert tone if required. And also you have printer settings options, where you will be able to configure 2-inch or 3-inch printers. Basically 3 inches recommended, and you can use Wi-Fi connected printer, Bluetooth printers, or network printers which can be identified over an IP and port. So you can add these printers, and for the added printers you can define the KOT or bill settings as well. So meaning the merchant app itself can act as a entity to print your KOTs also. You can even use this functionality to print the KOTs if you have multiple kitchens in your outlet, and the orders which you are getting from the online channels are having multiple kitchen orders in the single bill. In those kind of cases, you can configure Spice Traders merchant app to automatically split the items and send it to corresponding kitchens. In cases where like you have single kitchen, you can route all the orders to the single kitchen also. So apart from this, we have one more functionality, which is basically to set a pin. This is basically to avoid logging into the merchant app every time using a email ID and password. So to save time, you can define a quick access pin. It will ask you to confirm the pin very first time. So pin number updated successfully. Now if I log out, you'll have the email based login option as well as the pin based login option. So you can toggle between email based and pin based login option using the icon on the top right here. So now I can just enter this 4-digit pin number and login. So it's as simple as that. Hope you all are clear on the functionalities of merchant app. For more details, please visit spicetraders.com website. Thank you.